For today, we will visit Iya Valley in Miyoshi City in Tokushima Prefecture here in Japan. Before visiting Iya Vine Bridge and the Nagoro Scarecrow Village, we passed by this beautiful hanging bridge with this nice view of the mountains, the green trees, and this beautiful walkway, which is very nice, though it's a little cold. So the Oboke Gorge is a little ways downstream, which are narrow, steep-sided gorges near the entrance to the Iya Valley and popularly combined with a visit there. The entire tour takes about 30 minutes and you'll get to see the beautiful mountains, the green trees, and the rock formations on both sides of the river. The tour usually opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. The last departure is around 4:30 p.m. It is usually open daily all year round. However, the tour may be cancelled in case of strong winds or rising water. The admission fee is about 1,500 yen for adults and 750 yen for children. There is also parking available, and then to go down, you just have to walk for a few minutes to go to the jump-off point or the start of the tour. Before the tour or after the tour, you can have a little walk at the side. Actually, it's also a beautiful spot here, like before going to the place where the tour starts, because there are like rock formations. You can go down to the river and then feel the water in a way. There is also a very small waterfall that you can see on the side, and then I also love the trees, the green trees, and you can hear the sound of the water rushing on the river. It is a very beautiful place. It's so relaxing. Maybe sometimes you can like bring some snacks or some bentos, sit there in a while for a moment, for a while, and then enjoy the view. It's a very beautiful place indeed, and like before going to the Iya Valley Bridge, you can pass by and enjoy this place for a moment. The Oboke Ravine was formed with the continuous erosion of the craggy mountains caused by the rapids of the Yoshino River. So this famous scenic spot where you can see the beauty of the valley, where marble statues seem to tower above, has been designated as a natural monument of the Tokushima Prefecture. Near the parking area, there's also a restaurant. I think I also saw some buses, some tourist bus, so you can buy food from there before going to the Iya Vine Bridge. So thank you very much for joining me today, and see you again in our next video. Salamat!